So the transform by points command will let you move an object to another object using points. So on the CAD tab, we're going to go to the transform or by points command here. You're going to select the objects you want to move. So let's say that we want to move this object over to this object using these corners or this edge of this line and this edge of the line. So you're going to select your from system, which is your from point 1. So I want this point here to go to this point here. Now your focus is going down to point 2, so we want to move point 1 to point 1. So I'm going to move that one to this point here, and then I want point 2, which is going to be this line, to go to point 2, which is going to be over here. You'll see that it calculates the angle, so it's going to take this line here and it's going to calculate the angle to line up and be parallel with this one, as well as scale it. So it's scaling this side of the line with this line here. You can also do a 3D move and change the delta elevation. So I'm just going to click OK, and you'll see that I've moved that point from there to there. Now you can do this with point objects, and if those point objects are used to build a surface or the data is used in a surface, then that surface will update once you move the members or the core objects to that location.